Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to another new video. And before getting into this video, I would really appreciate each and everyone who subscribed this channel and keep me motivated to do more useful videos. And thank you so much for your love and support. Let's get started. So this video is about how to prolong or renew your Indian passport in Austria. First of all, I will describe an overview of the process. Then I will list all the required documents. Then I will also tell you the fee and duration to get a passport. Then finally, I will tell you tips and tricks in my experience. So as a first step, I will give you an overview. So there is an online website, passport portal. You have to apply and fill the applications online. Then you have to submit the application by person in the Indian embassy, which is in Vienna. Then it will take 3 to 4 weeks. You will get a passport after 4 weeks. They will either call you or they will send an email. So once the passport is ready for the dispatch, you can go and collect your passport. So this is how it works, the overall process. So there are several category of services provided by Indian embassy, which is in Vienna. So you can apply for a new passport, or you can apply for a renewal, or you could also make a change of information. So there are 3 services, and you could also check the official website, which I will put in the description. You can go and check out the link. So these are the required documents. The first one, the application which you filled it in online, you have to take a printout. Then the second is a passport size photo, which should be according to the Indian standards. And the size should be 5 into 5 centimeter with a white background. Then the third should be copy of melder settle, the proof of you living, where you are from, and the copy of resident permit, either a student card or a RWR card. So you have to provide your resident permit proof. Then the final one is a copy of passport, original passport, copy of original passport plus the visa stamps. So all these documents should be submitted, both copies and the originals. So these are all the necessary documents that supports for applying passport. So now it's about fee and duration. So how much it cost and how long it will take. So for me, in my case, I just applied for the passport renewal and it cost me 62 euros. So the entire process is like you will apply for the passport, then the application will be transferred to Indian embassy, then from Indian embassy to passport regional office, then from there police station. The police will also verify your address again. So don't forget to give your permanent address and your parents' mobile number, also the current resident informations like mobile number and email. So this is how it works, and it will take minimum 3 to 6 weeks. So as far as I know, the main reason for getting 3 to 6 weeks is because your passport will be printed in India, not in Vienna. So that's a reason it will take 3 to 6 weeks. Also the police verification will take place. So here is the tips and tricks in my experience. So the first tip would be you don't have to get an appointment for submitting a passport application in Vienna. So you just directly walk in and submit your passport application. And the opening time is 9:30 to 11:30, and you could also check it in official website. I will put it in the description. The second tip, they don't accept card payment. So you have to carry exact cash. So pay the fee by cash. The third tip, don't change any informations comparing to the old passport and the new passport. So if you really want to change some information like address or name, then you have to apply a different services. In my case, I applied for the renewal. So I just filled all the exact information which was in the old passport in the new passport. So there should be no changes. Then another tip, while filling the application, give your permanent address and also your parent contact details so that the police will call for verification. Then the final tip, you can track your applications in the Passport Saver portal. So I will also leave the Passport Saver link in the description. Go and check it out. So these are all the tips and tricks I just gained in my experience. So here is a quick summary. Apply it online, submit it in person, get verified, and once the passport is ready for dispatch, they will call or just they will send you an email. So based on that, you can go and collect your passport. So this is how it overall works. So this is how you apply for a passport renewal or for a new passport in Vienna Indian Embassy. So in this video description, I will leave all the official links opening time, fee, duration, all the details. Go and check it out, and hope this video is very useful for you. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on another video. Bye bye.